everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna make a quick lunch before I go to DC with my family. As you guys know, I'm transferring to Howard University, so we're just going out to DC to get some Howard gear, shop around at Georgetown and stuff like that. But before we go, I'm gonna go ahead and make a quick lunch because I didn't even eat. Today we're gonna be making the chicken and guac burrito bowls from HelloFresh. Thank you again to HelloFresh for sponsoring this video. You can use my code, it's gonna be on the screen. It's RNALEA10. You guys can use my code to get 10 free meals across 4 boxes, including free shipping on your first box. I'm going to be eating something fresh before I go out to DC because, you know, before I shop and do all that walking, I need some food in my body. And I'm gonna be making the chicken and guac burrito bowls. So this is what the picture looks like. All the ingredients come packed individually. So whatever meal you're making is going to be in its own brown bag like this. I have 2 other meals. One that I already made, and then I have another one that I didn't make yet. But I like that you don't have to search for the ingredients because it all comes in its own bag. Okay, so to make the chicken and guac burrito bowls, I need a lot of stuff. So all the stuff, like I said, is in this bag. You need a long green pepper right here. So you need green peppers, a tomato, jasmine rice, cheese, garlic powder, more cheese. You need guacamole, of course, because this is a chicken and guac burrito bowl. Jasmine rice. I'm just pulling all this out, like, and then of course you have some condiments in here that we might need as we are finishing the preparation of the burrito bowl. Like we have sour cream and we have, what else? Hot sauce if you want that. Dump all that in there. Oh my gosh, my eyes. Those shallots. Putting the tomatoes in my bowl along with the minced shallot. Now put the rest of the tomatoes in here. Move that off. Come on, move, green peppers. Alright, so now I'm about to go ahead and squeeze the lime juice in this bowl. Just 2. Ain't wasting no lime around here. Got that. Now I'm about to go ahead and season this with salt and pepper. Let me rinse my hands because I got a little bit of lime juice up there. A little rinse. Thank you, HelloFresh, for this fresh food. Now I have my salt right here. I'm gonna go ahead and pop this top off. Ooh. So now I'm about to add sour cream and hot sauce in a separate bowl. Got my sour cream right here. Now I got the hot sauce right here, and we have 2 packets of hot sauce. I'm gonna go ahead and just cut it just so I don't, accidentally rip it and, hot sauce comes flying out. And then add 1 more teaspoon of water. Let me see, I'm gonna pick it up and see if it drizzles. Is that right? A little bit more water, you know what I'm saying? These are super easy to follow and super healthy and nutritious for your mind, body, and soul. Now it's just right because it's a drizzle consistency. As you guys can see, it's just dripping on down, dripping on down. Came through dripping on that joint. So this is the finished result, you guys. I'm really hungry right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and give you my first impressions of this chicken and guac burrito bowl. I'm really hungry right now, so I'm gonna let you guys know how I like it. Look at the presentation. We got the lime right there. I'm gonna get my bowl and fork and be right back. Okay, got my phone, water, fork, and I got lunch. Y'all, this is really, really fresh. I don't mean to talk while I'm eating, but bomb. It's really, really good. Look at that. So we made it to DC, guys. We're about to go to Target with my mom and dad. Hopefully they have some stuff in here. Target, and the Target's right there, as y'all can see. Hopefully they have some cute Howard stuff that I can wear. Even though I'm not gonna, be on campus, I still want to have, a t-shirt or something. Walking in Target now. Got my mask on. Y'all really think they're gonna have like, oh, this is nice. They got escalators in their Target. So they don't have any Howard stuff. I kind of felt like they weren't gonna have any. I don't think they would put it all the way in the back. Look at a black mask. My dad's shirt. Lauryn Hill. Huh? What? Hello. Hey, can I help you? I was saying, yeah, this is my dad's shirt right here. I had to beg him to wear it. Thank you. Thank you. Do I have a good one? Sure. Dogs over there? I want a dog so bad, man. But we just left Target. They didn't have any Howard, gear or whatever. So now we're about to go to the bookstore, Barnes & Noble, and, maybe get a t-shirt or a hoodie or something from there. And we got Starbucks. I hope y'all can hear me because it's loud out here. Your ticket? It's good? You got it? You got it? No, I should be. I guess that's it. I think we have 3. But I think we walked down to 2. Yeah. What are you eating at? In a bubble. In a bubble? That's crazy.
That's cool. It's probably warm in there too.
This is what the world has come to. Eating in bubbles. That's so crazy. Honestly, I don't mind that. It's kind of like you're in your own little spot. to my shoes right now.
You like that one?
Yeah, I like this one. This is an extra large. I thought I picked up a medium. I did not feel that good. All this stuff matches what I have on now. It's not tighten, but doesn't it look cute?
Yeah. That's really cute.
I know, right? You got the ponytail.
We got the check on the side.
Let me get this. This is $30. And it looks like my ponytail too. I'm a bit sad that I'm leaving my other school, but I'm so excited to come here too at the same time. You don't like this one?
No, I like that one.
Oh, because it's just plain. What about the red one?
I don't see no larger than the red one either.
You got extra large? What size did he get? He got a large for you and Jelani. We're going upstairs now. I didn't even, I'm gonna come back down and probably get like a sweatshirt or something. Because I've seen some sweatshirts that I like. Yeah, this is cute. Alright, let me try this on.
Yeah. Yeah, that fit, yeah.
That's better.
Yeah.
Look at this, man.
I like this.
I'm going with this shirt.
How much is this?
30.